Time to dust off your air fryer. I've been working for the last month on hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer, hard cooked. The method for this is below in the comments section. So I'm preheating to 350 degrees. I'm going to show you two types of eggs. Soft-boiled, and I put an S on it. And the other ones, I've got 5 other eggs there, which I'm going to hard-boil for egg salad. So this is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to lay the eggs in. There's my soft-boiled one. In we go. For soft-boiled, on this particular air fryer, I'm setting my timer for exactly 7 minutes. Now, all air fryers are different. This one might have more wattage than yours, and I have another one with a dial on it. It's kind of weak. But for this particular air fryer, 7 minutes for a perfect soft-boiled egg. What I'm going to do is halfway through, about 3.5 minutes, I'm going to open this up and just move the eggs around very carefully. If you don't, they can blow up, trust me. There we go. That's 7 minutes exactly. So I'll take out the one with the S on it. I'll put that into the water. Careful, they're hot. And for hard-boiled, I'm going to go for 1 more minute. So I'll just clear that out, go for 1 minute. There you go. The rest of the eggs, the super hard-boiled eggs, went for 1 more minute, and then I put them into ice water. And you want to go with ice water. It's kind of a trick to contract the shell for easy peeling. Now, the most perfect egg that you can make is a steamed egg, which I've already mentioned and I've already filmed a video on. But let's see what this looks like for a nice, see that for a soft-boiled egg? Isn't that good? So there's no reason in the world why you can't make eggs in an air fryer. I'm 7 minutes, you can try 7, and if you want it a little bit harder, then try going to 8. Maybe you want to go to 9. I'll peel these up, easy peel. Those are my air fryer hard-boiled eggs. Thanks for watching.